What's going on, y'all? It's me, you know your boy Khalid Word, Barbecue Bourbon and Blues YouTube channel. And let me tell y'all something, man. I just want to let y'all know that we love y'all, but it's been extremely busy for us with competitions, catering, and we just got back today, Sunday, I think it's like May the 19th or whatever it is, from Smoke Slam 2024 down in Memphis, Tennessee. We were down there hanging out and cooking for the masses with season 2 Netflix barbecue showdown winner Thyron Matthews and the runner-up Logan and a whole host of cast. So you had an all-star team down in there. So you had Thyron Matthews with TNT. You had Rick with the meat stall from San Diego, California. You had Matt with Back 40 from Iowa. And then you had TNT from Iowa and the Word Brothers. We were all down there, passed out excellent barbecue, had a great time, you know. And we're going to let you know we're going to be back we're going to be back with our regular scheduled videos. All right, coming up soon, probably next week. But on this video, you're going to get unedited clips straight from Memphis, Tennessee, Smoke Slam 2024. Check it out. And make sure to like, subscribe, and share the channel with your friends. And also hit up our Facebook group, Word Brothers Competition Barbecue Team. That way you'll know where we're going to be, whether we're catering, vending, or doing competitions, and you can come out and support, all right? We love y'all. We'll catch y'all back in a minute. Peace.
Khalid, what you doing, man?
Mopping ribs with this famous mop sauce.
Yes, sir. Mopping these ribs with the TNT mop sauce. Down here at Smoke Slam. Word Brothers.
Just take a bite while it's over there.
Word Brothers and Meat Stall.
Yes, sir.
Here at Smoke Slam. And I can't say anything about Rick, but Khalid, it's the first time I've seen him trying and do some work.
Because I'm the leader of Word Brothers Barbecue. I'm supposed to tell y'all what to do. My son like, Daddy, you doing the taping yesterday? I was like, nah, I didn't do no tape. He said, tape, I want to see you.
Yeah.
Okay, all right.
There we go over here. These are direct heat ribs. Got the meat style right here.
What's happening with you, everybody?
Flipping them things.
Let's flip it.
You know what I mean? This is directly over the fire.
Direct connect.
What'd you say, bro?
Direct connect.
Directly over the fire right there. Direct here, indirect there. That's how we doing this thing. These are the direct, right over the fire. All right, that's how they did these. That's how we did these ribs right here. Look how pretty they are. Oh yeah. I know you see it. Ain't that what Young Doc said?
I know you see.
I know you see it.
My weekend rub, we gonna go ahead and cut it all the time.
Hit me with like quarter piece.
You know?
Hold on, wait.
Right there?
Yeah, get that crunchy.
Well, you didn't completely ruin it. Hey.
You did great. You did great.
All of the crystals back there?
Close.
Hey,
Wow.
right here, Logan.
I stand corrected. I stand corrected. Oh, goddamn. Meat meals and Diddy.
Chicharron. No Diddy.
We got meat meals and Diddy.
We're here at Smoke
want this guy right here?
Slam. This is the kind of lines we've seen all day from all the
So he's from San
publicity
Diego.
that these people are telling other people that this is the best rib in place. Get back what you like.
I'm gonna get one of them all purpose.
Hey guys, are these ribs good?
Oh my God, they gone. They gone.
Well, y'all heard this.
And look, I got them to go home with me.
All right, y'all heard this.
Got all three.
That's an endorsement from the people with badness.
Yes, sir.
Right behind you, bro.
Ready?
Yeah.
Trey Jefferson from the Memphis Grizzlies, man. These TNT ribs, something serious now. Get y'all some.
That's right. Come on down here to Smoke Slam. Get you some of these ribs, man. Appreciate it, Trey. Appreciate you coming through, man.
We down here at Smoke Slam. Take a look at this. Look at all the whole hogs that are stretched out. Yes, sir. This is what I'm talking about.
That's pretty thin beef. We don't want a whole bunch.
Here are a few things
We're gonna get
that's
that flavor
going
on
on
there.
at Smoke Slam
So we,
here
what
in
we
Memphis.
normally
These
use
are
on a lot of
steak
our
demos.
fajitas, we use a
They've
skirt
had
steak
live
or
fire demos.
even a
all
thicker chuck.
sorts
We want
of
something with a
demos.
little bit of fat in it.
Yep.
We trim these down super low just because we had some time crunch and we needed to get them done. We've got some stuff back here in the back that I think you guys are really gonna like.
Then we're gonna throw a little bit of that hot on top.
Was that fresh?
This is fresh. Just popped the lid. Probably made. I bet it was packaged last week.
I bet Shane made that last week.
Shane made it last week in Melbourne, Arkansas, and I don't know how to get any fresher than that. The peppers come the week he orders them, and then when we order it, Shane is gonna package that stuff at the.
This mud sucks. Shut. You don't like orange juice? No. No, dude, don't apologize. That work?